too fast.
The not too fast thing cracks me up.
Are you kidding? Not too fast.
No, you gotta come all the way back up here. You're cheating. You gotta come all the way back up here to mommy. Vivian comes all the way back up here to mommy. All right, turn. Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
Oh, you got her toe.
Oh, I just. All right, now it's you can trade off. Oh, Vivian.
Hot stuff, girl.
So is Vivian. Oh, I don't know that I like that one. You can jump out. You can jump out, Carly. You can't jump in.
Maybe
You
can't jump in, but...
You have the coordination of your grandmother.
Can I say bite me while you're taking?
Is there a frog? Do I hear a frog?
Last time she took a kitty, this time she takes a frog.
So, Mom, tell me about the tricycle. Oh, here comes Rick. Here comes Vivian's boyfriend. So, Mom, who wants to ride the tricycle?
Hey! We're laughing at these two. What's the funny part?
One say hurry or
Yes,
hooey?
hurry.
Hooey.
Oh, the best part is, you can ride the tricycle. It holds up to
I want to
16
see
pounds.
this. I want to see this.
You're supposed to sit on them, dear.
No, I know, but the handlebar gave way here. Oh, man. Ooh.
Is that a good ooh?
That was not a good ooh.
Well, I don't think that 38-year-old men
Okay, go get them.
belong on tricycles. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's a prayer.
get 'em, Viv.
Look,
Go get 'em,
you
Viv.
girls, go get them.
Go get them, Viv.
This is so going on Facebook, you have no idea.
She's
I'm going to post this to YouTube and then put it on Facebook. Even the owl fuck.